And hello everyone, today we are unboxing a Burst toothbrush. I'm super excited. If you're interested, continue watching.
Always look so perfect, I can't help myself. Cancel all my plans to get you by yourself.
So in my package, first things first, I saw this pouch right here, and on the inside of the pouch I saw that there were some whitening strips, coconut whitening strips, which is interesting. So I will be trying this in another video, not in this particular video. So I saw two in there. I saw a card here that talks about their 2-year warranty. You want to read up on that. And then I saw this manual that says drop it like it's hot. This is the rose gold edition Burst toothbrush. Okay, super cute. So in this little manual here, it just basically tells you, how to work it and how to take care of it and everything else like that. So on the inside of the box here, I'm just showing you guys exactly how everything comes. You have a charger here. You have a little cap that goes on top of the charger. You have the case that your toothbrush goes into, and then you have, how cute, okay, and then you have the base of the toothbrush here, and then you have the USB port thingy majig that you charge your toothbrush with, and then you have these two heads that go onto the base of your toothbrush. So pretty much like a soft bristle is what you're looking at. So what's absolutely amazing about this toothbrush is you can charge it up. You just plug it into your little USB port here and then plug it into a socket in the wall. So I'm just showing you guys how to use the case here. This is a cute little, I don't know, maybe a travel case or just to store your toothbrush when you're not using it. That's what I'm going to use it for. And so yeah, how cute. So I'm in the bathroom now and I decide to see let's see where I'm going to put my charger at. And I set it right there. Cute little place to put it. Decided to put my head on. I had already washed my head off. And it's pretty easy to put on. The bristles are like charcoal. It's made out of charcoal, which is pretty neat. Supposed to be an awesome plaque remover. And it has a tongue cleaner on the back. So this is the button here, the power button. And listen closely, you'll see how the toothbrush sounds. Press it one time to turn it off. This toothbrush has different modes, as you could see. The first one is a whitening mode, the sensitive mode, the massage mode, and then you have the charge mode. So once you charge it, you will see the plus sign turn red. That'll let you know that it's charging. From what I'm seeing, the toothbrush already came charged, so I was just showing you guys how to charge it. But here I am trying the toothbrush out, and the most awesome thing about this toothbrush is, you guys, watch. You will hear a pulse. It'll let you know when to switch over to the other side of your mouth. And as you could hear, that was a little pause, aka the pulse, letting you know to go to the other side of your mouth. Do read up on your manual. It will let you know the best way of using this toothbrush. So that's pretty great. So altogether, the brushing session will equal up to 2 minutes. After each pulse, after that session, after each pulse, the toothbrush shuts off. From what I'm experiencing. You guys, you rarely have to press hard with this toothbrush. The pressure from this toothbrush by itself is just crazy good. So right here is when the toothbrush just stopped completely. The whole session is over. So I just rinsed my mouth here, rinsing the toothpaste out of my mouth. And just trying to see my results, and my teeth are looking great. I noticed that a lot of the plaque that I had built up at the bottom of my teeth are it's gone. So yeah, this brush is said to get into places that a regular toothbrush cannot. Also, this thing stays charged for up to 4 weeks. Isn't that something? I decided to store her in her case because I don't know what happens at night in the bathroom. I don't want to just leave it out. So that's it for this video, you guys. Thanks so much for watching. See you guys in the next one.